We go, Cadillac fans. Looking at a Cadillac El Dorado. I'm assuming it's a 1976 because you've got a 1776, a bicentennial plate on the front. Any of you Cadillac fans, if you can document that it is, because there's nothing on it that states the year. But have a look in here. These were nice luxury cars. Big monsters, very comfortable. And nothing like the old Eldo from Cadillac.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't even fit in my parking spot.
Is this your car?
No.
Oh, okay. You know, a lot of people will just walk on by these like at a car show, but you know, take a look at it. It's certainly worth looking at it. The interior is like beautiful. You can tell it's original. Dash as well, very well preserved. Oh, look at the book in the back. The Fabulous Trash Wagon. Interesting, they got that book in there. I wouldn't consider this a trash wagon. This is a nice car. Real nice shape. Paint's beautiful. This is probably more than likely an AACA member with a beautiful preserved original 76 Cadillac El Dorado. So there you have it, gang. Cruising down the avenue in my Eldo. This is Gau's Garage here at Centennial Park at Cars and Coffee here in Venice, Florida. Thank you.